Ever wondered why you feel happy, content, and at ease sometimes? Serotonin might have a role to play there. Meet serotonin, also known as the feel-good neurotransmitter. This chemical messenger is a superstar in your brain, transmitting signals between nerve cells or neurons, but its role doesn't just stop there. It's also a key player in the rest of your body, contributing to your overall well-being. Serotonin wears many hats. It's involved in regulating mood, appetite, sleep, and even cognitive functions like memory and decision-making. Low levels of serotonin. You might experience feelings of depression. High levels. They're often associated with feelings of happiness and contentment. Serotonin also helps regulate your appetite and digestion, signaling when you're full and aiding in gastrointestinal motility. And when it's time to hit the hay, serotonin steps in to regulate sleep-wake cycles, promoting sleep by converting into melatonin, a hormone that regulates these cycles. So it's clear that serotonin is an important player in our bodies, but how does it specifically function? Let's delve deeper. One of the most well-known roles of serotonin is in mood regulation. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into this fascinating role. Serotonin, often termed the feel-good neurotransmitter, has a significant impact on our mood and emotional states. Picture serotonin as a tiny, invisible maestro, conducting the symphony of our feelings from behind the scenes. It's this maestro's job to keep our emotional orchestra in harmony, maintaining a balance between the highs and lows. So how does it do it? Well, it's all about the levels. When serotonin levels are in balance, we tend to feel content, peaceful, and optimistic. We're in tune with ourselves and the world around us. But when these levels dip too low, the harmony can start to break down. This can lead to feelings of depression, anxiety, and overall emotional discomfort. It's like the music of our mood has suddenly gone out of tune. On the flip side, when serotonin levels are high, we may experience feelings of well-being and happiness. It's as if the maestro has kicked up the tempo, and our emotional symphony is playing a joyous, uplifting melody. But it's crucial to note that while serotonin plays a significant role in mood regulation, it's not the only factor at play. Our emotional states are complex and influenced by a myriad of elements, including other biochemical processes, our environment, and personal experiences. There's also fascinating research ongoing about the role of serotonin in various mood disorders, such as depression and anxiety disorders. The hope is that by gaining a better understanding of this tiny maestro and its music, we can develop more effective treatments for these conditions in the future. So the next time you're feeling unusually low or exceptionally happy, remember that serotonin might be at work. Did you know serotonin also influences your eating habits? Yes, this mighty neurotransmitter goes beyond mood regulation and plays a significant role in our appetite and digestion as well. Serotonin is like the body's natural appetite controller. When you eat, serotonin levels increase, signaling to your brain that you're getting full. This is why, after a hearty meal, you often feel satisfied and content, thanks to the surge of serotonin. The neurotransmitter essentially acts as a satiety signal, helping to regulate your appetite and prevent overeating. But serotonin's influence doesn't stop at appetite regulation. It also plays a critical role in digestion. Serotonin is found in vast quantities in the gut, where it regulates gastrointestinal motility, the contraction and relaxation of muscles in the gastrointestinal tract. This affects how quickly food moves through your system and is essential for healthy digestion. So if you've ever wondered why certain foods make you feel good or why your stomach might be upset during periods of stress or sadness, serotonin could be the key. Its role in appetite and digestion is crucial to our overall health and well-being. In essence, serotonin does more than just make us feel good. It helps regulate our eating habits and plays a vital role in digestion, making it a truly multifunctional neurotransmitter. It's fascinating to think that our eating habits and digestion are influenced by this neurotransmitter. Having trouble sleeping, serotonin could be involved. This fascinating neurotransmitter, often referred to as the feel-good chemical, plays a pivotal role in regulating our sleep-wake cycles. Let's dive a little deeper into this. Our bodies have a natural clock known as the circadian rhythm, which regulates the times we feel alert and sleepy throughout the day. Serotonin is one of the key players that help to keep this rhythm in check. It helps stimulate parts of the brain that keep us awake and alert during the day. But what happens when night falls? Interestingly, serotonin transforms. As darkness approaches, our bodies convert serotonin into another hormone, melatonin. You might have heard of melatonin as the sleep hormone. That's because it's responsible for telling our bodies when it's time to wind down and get ready for sleep. It's a beautifully orchestrated dance between serotonin and melatonin, working in tandem to regulate our sleep and wakefulness. But when this balance is disturbed, perhaps due to stress, irregular sleeping habits, or various health conditions, it can lead to sleep disorders like insomnia. This is why some sleep aids and certain antidepressants, which increase serotonin levels, can help regulate sleep patterns. However, it's crucial to remember that these should only be used under medical supervision. So, serotonin's influence extends even to our sleep patterns. Our brain's capability to learn, remember, and make decisions is also influenced by serotonin. And it's not just about feeling good, but about how we think, learn, and remember. Let's explore this a bit further. Serotonin is believed to play an essential role in cognitive functions, including memory, learning, and decision-making. You see, our brain is a complex network of neurons communicating through various neurotransmitters, and serotonin is one of these chemical messengers. Now, you might be wondering, how does serotonin influence our cognition? Well, it's all about the balance. Just like in mood regulation, having the right amount of serotonin is crucial for optimal cognitive functioning. When serotonin levels are balanced, our brain can effectively process information, enabling us to learn new things and remember past experiences. On the other hand, when serotonin levels are too low or too high, it can disrupt this balance, potentially leading to cognitive impairments. For instance, research has suggested that low levels of serotonin can impair memory and learning. This is because serotonin is involved in the formation of new connections between neurons, a process known as neuroplasticity, which is critical for learning and memory. Moreover, serotonin is also thought to play a role in decision-making. It helps us evaluate the potential outcomes of our actions, allowing us to make informed decisions. When serotonin levels are off, it can affect our ability to assess situations accurately and make sensible choices. But remember, our understanding of serotonin's role in cognition is still evolving. Scientists are continuously conducting research to unravel the complex relationship between serotonin and cognitive functions. The intricate dance of neurotransmitters in our brain is a fascinating area of study, and serotonin is one of its key players. Clearly, serotonin's role in our brain's functioning is more extensive than we might have thought. It's not just a feel-good chemical, it's a crucial component that helps us think, learn, and make decisions. So the next time you're faced with a tough decision or trying to remember something important, remember the role of serotonin in your brain. It's working behind the scenes to help you navigate the world around you. Interestingly, serotonin also has a part to play in how we perceive pain. It's not just a mood and appetite regulator or a sleep facilitator. Serotonin also has a key role in our perception of pain. Imagine your body as a big city and pain signals as cars. Serotonin acts like a traffic controller, modulating the flow of these cars. It can amplify or suppress these signals, affecting how we perceive the intensity of pain. This is why certain pain medications work by increasing the availability of serotonin in the brain. It's a fascinating example of how intertwined our bodily functions are, and how one single neurotransmitter can have such a wide range of effects. So, serotonin not only influences our mood and cognition, but also how we perceive pain. It's clear that serotonin plays a significant role in various aspects of our body's functioning. We've seen how this feel-good neurotransmitter regulates our mood, making us feel content and at ease. We've also learned about its impact on our appetite and digestion, signaling when we are full and managing our gastrointestinal health. The role of serotonin extends to our sleep patterns as well, converting into melatonin to regulate our sleep-wake cycles. It's fascinating to see how it also contributes to cognitive functions like memory, learning, and decision-making. And let's not forget about its involvement in pain perception, both in sensing pain and responding to it. So, serotonin isn't just about feeling good, it's about our overall well-being. Next time you experience a wave of happiness, a good night's sleep, or even a pain sensation, remember the crucial role that serotonin plays. It truly is a feel-good neurotransmitter.